Hello guys! Today we're going to talk about the colors. But before that, I just want to remind you that last week we've uploaded a video about the verb quedarse, and that video is very important for you to watch. And there's a video about the verb poner and the verb ser versus estar. Well, for those of you who want to elaborate more on these subjects, you can contact me via Instagram and you can schedule a Zoom meeting for 4 people and we can start to, have a class together and help you with exercises and more. So let's start to it. Today we're going to talk about the colors and the vocabulary related to it. And I'm going to tell you some expressions that we use like slang words with the colors. So the first one is amarillo. Amarillo means yellow. Rojo, it's red. Naranja, it's orange. Rosa or rosado, it's pink. Verde means green. Azul means blue. Next one is negro means black. Morado means purple. Gris means gray. Marrón means brown. Burdeo means Bordeaux. It's a variation of red. And blanco means white. Now let's see the expressions. We have ponerse negro. Ponerse negro means enfadarse, to get angry. And it's used with the verb poner, as we've seen it like last time. Ponerse más adjetivo means a change in the humor, in the emotional state. Entonces, yo me pongo negro cada vez que mi amigo me habla de política. Es que I always get angry whenever my friend talks politics. Verlo todo de negro. To see everything in black means to be pessimist. So if you're a pessimist or if your friend is pessimist about the situation, the country, or wherever, you can say, mi amigo lo ve todo de negro. We have tener la negra. Tener la negra means to have the black. That's literal meaning, but it means to have bad luck. For example, as you can see in this picture, there's someone who's bad luck with his dog, or he got hit with a ball in his face, or he has a flat tire. So all of that is tener la negra, tener mala suerte. We have poner verde a alguien. It's like to put green to someone, that's literal meaning, but it means to talk trash about someone, hablar mal de alguien. Es que mira a ese chico ahí, siempre le pone verde a su novia. Qué pesado es. It means here that this guy always talks shit about his girlfriend. I mean, what a jerk, no? We have next, estar verde en algo. To be green in something is to have a little experience when doing something or in any major. So, tener poca experiencia en algo. Por ejemplo, estoy verde en el trabajo. Es que llevo un mes trabajando en esta empresa y todavía no sé nada. It means that I have no experience in this job. I've been working in this job for 1 week and, well, I don't know how to do stuff yet, so estoy verde. Es tener poca experiencia. Next one is ser un viejo verde. Ser un viejo verde means to be an old man who's green. But what does that mean? It means that ser mayor y tener gustos sexuales. To be old, but still be sexual. Those grandpas who are in their 60s or in their 70s and still look at young people and fantasize about sex with them, it means that they are an old man who's green. Son unos viejos verdes. Then we have un chiste verde. Un chiste verde is a green joke. It's a joke related to sexual stuff as well. So whenever you encounter a joke talking about sexual parts, about dirty things, it's a chiste verde. Una broma sexual. Then we have ser un camino de rosas with the color pink. Ser un camino de rosas Algo que es fácil. It means that it's so easy to do, it's so fun, it's so agradable, you know. Something that is easy. For example, going to the mall and going shopping in the mall es un camino de rosas. Or if someone is so good at Spanish, teaching Spanish for others es un camino de rosas para mí. Then we have ver la vida de color de rosa, which means to be optimist. It's the opposite of verlo todo de color negra o de color negro. Here we can have ver la vida de color de rosa, ser optimista. It's someone that lives in a fantasy world that everything is good, everyone loves the other, and everything is just amazing. Esa persona decimos que ve la vida de color de rosa. Then we have ponerse rojo. Ponerse rojo, it means to become red, which as in English means to become shy, or that something made us feel unpleasant, or we're not really comfortable in the situation. Es cuando algo te da corte. Algo que te da corte es otra expresión para decir ponerse rojo, o que te da vergüenza. To become red when something makes you shy. Por ejemplo, a muchos estudiantes les da corte hablar español. O mi amiga se pone roja, se pone rojo cuando habla español. Yeah, be careful here, as I made this mistake. You cannot say ponerse roja. Siempre es ponerse rojo. This adjective never changes. Then next we have estar en numeros rojos. Well, as you can see, at the end of the month, we're always in red numbers. That means tener deudas, no tener dinero, to be in debt or not having money. You can talk about your bank account as well. For example, you've spent lots of money this month and you can say, este mes estoy en números rojos. Es que no tengo dinero para nada. Luego tenemos tener la sangre azul. To have a blue blood means to be of royalty, of noble descendants. Like here you can see the Queen Elizabeth. La reina Isabel de Inglaterra tiene la sangre azul. Es ser de familia noble. Luego tenemos ponerse morado. También con el verbo ponerse, which means comer demasiado, to eat too much. When you have lots of stuff and you just can't decide which one do you want to eat, which one you want to taste first, and you eat all of it at once, that means ponerse morado. Por ejemplo, conozco a un amigo que se pone morado cada 2 por 3. I know someone who always eats a lot every once in a while. And then we have quedarse en blanco, to be left in white. And that is used with the verb quedarse. You can watch the last video to know a lot more about what I'm talking about. The verb quedarse más un adjetivo. It means here to be left in white, to not remember anything, not to know what to say. Es quedarse en blanco, no recordar nada, no saber qué decir. Por ejemplo, podemos decir que a la hora del examen me he quedado en blanco. Es que no recordé nada de todo lo que estudié. At the hour of the exam, I was left speechless. I couldn't remember anything I studied. And well, this thing happens a lot with students, sadly. We have then estar sin blanca. Estar sin blanca means not to have money. As you can see here in the photo, he has his bucket in white, and it comes from there, the expression. Estar sin blanca, no tener dinero. Por ejemplo, este finde es que estoy sin blanca, no puedo salir con mis amigos. This weekend I have no money, and that's why I can't go out with my friends. You have lots of other expressions with the colors and stuff, but these ones are the most famous ones, the most used ones in Spain. And they can be used in other countries as well. But let's say that these expressions are Spaniards. Yeah. So if you like this video, I hope you press like and subscribe to my channel. This will help me a lot to grow. And thank you guys for this video. And see you later. Ciao.